People often say, anger is not leaving me. Once, a student said the same thing to a saint.
Master, anger is holding me tight and not leaving me.
The saint smiled and said, "Sit down, I'll explain." After a moment, the saint suddenly stood up, walked to a pillar, and hugged it tightly. Then he started shouting, "Save me! This pillar is not leaving me!" The disciple got confused and said,
Master, the pillar is not holding you. You are the one holding the pillar tightly.
The saint smiled again and said, "That's exactly the lesson. That is our situation. Anger is not holding us. We are holding anger. We keep replaying what happened. We keep remembering who hurt us. We keep carrying it again and again in our mind. We are not letting negativity go. We are holding it tightly. And the moment we loosen our grip, every negative emotion starts disappearing on its own. But when we keep holding negativity, it starts affecting our entire life. It steals our peace. It keeps our thinking blurred. It damages relationships. It weakens our health. It blocks inner authority and spiritual growth. And where does all this negativity get its power from? From your mind, from your brain, from your soul. The moment you let it go, you regain control. You regain clarity. You regain peace. Why hold something that hurts you? Leave anger. Leave negative thoughts. Not for others, for yourself.